What's the meaning of centripetal? Centripetal. Centripetal.
Centripetal. Centripetal. The term centripetal refers to the force that attracts an object towards a center point, such as in circular motion. The result of centripetal force is that an object moves in a curved path instead of a straight line. This force is directed towards the center of the curve, and the magnitude of the force depends on the speed of the object and the radius of the curve. In order for an object to maintain circular motion, a constant centripetal force must act upon it, preventing it from flying off in a tangent.